Yes, students, let's start with some more questions of this type. Integral of Ex fx plus f dash x. Let's start. Integral of Ex into cos of x minus sin x. Now we know the derivative of cos is minus sin. So apply this rule on this function. First and second. First function as it is, integral of Ex is Ex minus integral of derivative of first. Derivative of cos is minus sin. Integral of Ex is Ex. Sin x into Ex dx. Minus minus plus, and this term is of minus sign. So what we get? Ex cos of x plus c. Next is Ex into 1 upon x square minus 2 upon x cube. Now we know the derivative of 1 upon x square, that is x minus 2, is minus n x n minus 1 minus 2 upon x cube. So this is f of x and this is f dash x. Again apply the same rule by taking this function as first and this as second. Now first function as it is, integral of Ex is Ex. Derivative of 1 upon x square is minus 2 upon x cube. Minus 2 upon x cube Ex dx. Minus minus plus, and this term is of minus. So what we get? Ex upon x square plus c. Ex upon x square plus c. Next is integral of Ex 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos of x. We know 1 plus cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x. Sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x cos x, but the angle here is half. So 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. And 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. Here the angle is half, so 2 cos square x by 2. What we get here is Ex 1 upon 2 cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 upon 2 cos square x by 2. 1 cos and 2 will be cancelled. Ex by 2, 1 upon cos is sec, so sec square. Sin upon cos is tan. Now we know the derivative of tan x is sec square x. So apply the rule on this function by taking tan x as first and exponential function as the second term. Ex by 2 sec square x by 2 plus first function as it is tan x by 2. Integral of Ex is Ex. Derivative of tan is sec square x by 2 and derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2. Integral of Ex is Ex. This term is of plus and minus. Ex into tan x by 2 plus c. Now the next one is integral of Ex into cot of x minus cosec square x. Now we know the derivative of cot x is cosec square. So apply this rule by first and taking cot of x as first and exponential function as second. First function as it is, integral of second, integral of ex minus integral of derivative of cot is minus cosec square x, integral of ex is ex, minus cosec square x into ex dx. Minus minus plus, and this term is of minus. So what we get here is ex into cot x plus c. Next question is integral of ex x minus 1 upon 2 x squared dx. Now first we separate the terms. Ex x upon 2 x square minus 1 upon 2 x square dx. 1 upon 2 is constant, so we can write as ex into 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square. Now we know the derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. 1 by 2 is constant. Integral of ex into 1 by x minus 1 by 2 ex into 1 by x square. First and second, apply this rule. First term as it is, integral of ex, derivative of 1 upon x, integral of ex. Now open the bracket. Ex upon 2x minus minus plus 1 upon 2 integral of ex upon x square dx minus 1 upon 2 integral of ex upon x square. Ex upon 2x plus c. Ex upon 2x plus c. Now next is integral of ex sec of x into 1 plus tan x dx. Ex into sec x plus sec x tan x. Now derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. Sec x into ex plus sec x tan x ex dx. First function as it is, integral of Ex is Ex minus integral of derivative of first function. Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x into integral of Ex is Ex plus sec x tan x Ex dx. Ex into sec x plus c. Next is integral of Ex tan of x minus log of cos x. Now the derivative of tan x is sec square x, derivative of log x is 1 upon x, and derivative of cos is minus sine. So what we get here is tan x. Tan x into Ex dx minus log of cos x into Ex. Apply the rule. Tan x Ex first function as it is. First function as it is. Log of cos x. Integral of Ex is Ex minus integral of derivative of first. Derivative of log cos x is minus tan x. Integral of Ex is Ex. Open the bracket. Integral of tan x Ex dx minus log cos of x Ex minus minus plus and minus tan x into Ex minus Ex log of cos of x plus c. Next is integral of Ex into sec x plus log sec x plus tan x. Now derivative of the sec x is sec x tan x. Solve this. Derivative of log is 1 upon x. Log x is 1 upon x. X here is sec x plus tan x. Now derivative of sec x is sec x tan x, and derivative of tan is sec square x. Take sec x common. Sec x plus tan x upon sec x plus tan x. What we get? Sec x. So we take this as f of x and this is f dash x. Ex into sec x dx plus log of sec x plus tan x into Ex dx. Take this as first function and this as second. First integral as it is Ex sec x dx plus first function as it is log of sec x plus tan x. Integral of Ex is Ex minus integral of derivative of first function, but we get derivative of this as sec x, and integral of Ex is Ex. This term and this term will cancel. Log of sec x plus tan x plus c. Next is ex cot of x plus log sin x. Derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x, and derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Derivative of sin is cos. Cos upon sin is cot. Now this term is f of x and this is f dash x. Ex into cot of x plus log of sin x ex. Take this term as first and second. Cot x into ex dx plus first function as it is, integral of second. Integral of ex is ex minus integral of derivative of first. Derivative of log sin x is cot of x into integral of second function ex is ex. Log ex into log of sin x plus c. Next is integral of ex x minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole cube. सेम इसी के जैसा क्वेश्चन हमने किया था पहले. Try it by yourself. What we do here is we add and subtract 1 in the numerator to make the denominator term. Now the next question is integral of ex sin 4x minus 4 upon 1 minus cos 4 of 4x. Sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x cos x. We can write it as sin 2 into 2x 1 minus cos 2 into 2x. Sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. X here is 2x. 1 minus cos 2x is equals to 2 sin square x. And x here is 2x. Separate the terms. 2 sin 2x cos 2x upon 2 sin square 2x minus 4 upon 2 sin square 2x. Cos upon sin is cot. Ex into cot 2x minus 2. 1 upon sin is cosec. Now the derivative of cot of x is cosec minus cosec square x. First term as it is, integral of ex. Derivative of cot is minus cosec square. Angle here is 2x. So the derivative of 2x is 2. Integral of ex is ex. Minus 2 cosec square 2x ex dx. Minus minus plus ex into cot of x plus c. Ex cot 2x plus c. Next is 2 minus x upon 1 minus x whole square ex dx. We can write 2 as 1 plus 1. Take 1 minus x square as one term. 1 upon 1 minus x whole square plus 1 minus x 1 upon 1 minus x plus 1 upon 1 minus x whole square. Now we know the derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. 1 upon 1 minus x ex dx plus 1 upon 1 minus x whole square first integral of second. First term as it is 1 upon 1 minus x. Integral of ex is ex. Minus integral of derivative of first. Derivative of 1 upon 1 minus x. Minus 1 upon 1 minus x whole square. And now the derivative of 1 is 0. And derivative of minus x is minus 1. So what we get here is 1 upon 1 minus x whole square. Integral of ex is ex. And the next term is plus 1 upon